are walking here in BGC. We are going to the Mint College. It's near the Venice Grand Canal Mall. So time check, we left 3rd Avenue at 11:45. So we're still on our way there. We'll find out how long it will take to walk the Mint College. So we are going to inquire in the Mint College here in BGC. Gonna inquire about their courses offered. See if the kids will like it. Ang babait ng mga guards dito sa BGC. They're very friendly. So that's McKinley, another sign for McKinley Hill here in BGC. So we are going to turn right here. Oh, traffic advisory. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's lovely, isn't it? Wow, look at this, guys. Ang ganda ng McKinley Hill. So this is the going to the college. Mint College. Ay, mga estudyante, I think mga estudyante, they're walking. Maybe students or staff. Sa bus, Metrolink, SM North, Venice, BGC, Parkway. A British Embassy is here as well. Back in 2008, we needed to go to the British Embassy. And that's when we were able to visit the American Cemetery. Now the kids are back here. So it's McKinley Hill, everyone. It's beautiful. McKinley Hill Village. Ang ganda. Oh, big way. What shuttle bus is this? It's a bus for Terminal 7. And there's a little park. McKinley Dog Park, actually. Look at this building here. Very clean. BGC McKinley Hill, everyone. Hope you are enjoying the virtual tour of BGC McKinley Hill on our way to Mint College. This is Korean International School, Philippines. Plaza. Fresh and healthy Korean food over there. There's a clown over there. Asian salon. Tuscany. Nice one. Yeah. Tuscany. James got a friend here, di. James got a friend who got condominium here. And Tuscany, that's nice building. Ice and cheesecakes. Loads of pet shops here. I think it's there.
Came here on Friday.
Yeah, in a car. We can just ask.
things over there?
Yeah, I think that one there at the behind.
Then go to the left now.
Yeah.
Just there. Cross over there then.
Yeah, hopefully it's there. I don't know. Trans on the right.
What's the time now? We're going to finish half an hour.
Okay.
Oh, here.
It's 2. That's second floor.
BGC Grand
Tell us where we
Canal.
are now.
You are here. Where we are? We jump. We pass by that.
Where?
Dental hub. Where? Oh, there. Found it. We are in second floor.
I just press that.
Oh, did you?
What's that?
We passed by this, so this we are in second floor then.
So it's
Second
dental
floor.
hub?
Yeah.
Dental.
Yeah. That's the. That's nice though. Rainy day in Cano. Look at that. Good haul, very nice. Going to, I don't know, probably. He wants ice cream. Yeah, it's probably residences. National Bookstore, the marketplace. We're just checking the prices of fruits here. Oh, I think they're all the same as the ones there, is it?
Cheaper in SM.
Ice cream, dairy produce. Shopping mall, yeah. Marketplace here in BGC. Fruits area here. Greens, okra, garlic, butter, nice grapes. Look at them. Grab your yummy greens. Yummy greens, oh. Amazon. Sugar and sugar. Yeah, that's the bus. That's the free bus. BGC. Yeah. Uptown Mall. Yeah, probably. Going to Uptown Mall. Yep. This is a free bus here in BGC from the Venice Canal. This is the CityLink bus, free shuttle bus here in BGC. It goes by every hour. Taking it from the Venice Canal Mall to Uptown Mall in BGC. Minto College is over there, but they are closed at the moment because it took us 40 20 minutes to walk from our place, from Avanta Court on 3rd Avenue. And now we're gonna check what time it will take taking a bus, a free shuttle bus from Venice Grand Canal to the Uptown Mall. So time check, we're leaving the Venice Grand Canal station at 12:30. So we'll see how long will it take up to the Uptown Mall. Italian embassy over there. It's the British embassy in London. Wells Fargo, it's an American bank, Wells Fargo. Cute little stadium. Science Hub, this one. Bus station, SM Lodge. Venetia Drive, Upper McKinley. This is the Chinese National School in Manila. So from Venice Canal is only one stop. This bus is terminating on the Uptown Mall, and then from Uptown Mall again they're going to Venice Canal. So this is the bus service, free bus service in BGC.
When we get off,
Yeah.
ask him if it's also where it departs to go to Venice.
BGC on a rainy day. Look at that, the weather is very bad. We were supposed to go to Pampanga today, but because of this weather, some of the roads are flooded. And we cannot book a Grab. Nobody's accepting our Grab booking. Uptown Mall. It's just like 15 minutes. Reach Uptown Mall already in 15 minutes with a bus. So we're just gonna find out where this bus stops. So tomorrow they are going back to the Venice Grand Canal. We know where to get a bus from. So this is it, the Uptown station for the CityLink bus. It's a free one. You get bus from here, and then it will take you to Venice Grand Canal Mall, and it's free. It's only like 15 minutes. It took us 15 minutes. Torrential rain. Heavy rain, guys, here in BGC. And they're all like showering in the rain. Where are they? Daddy. They're covering the shower. Look. Look at this, heavy rain. Heavy rain.
Japanese one.
Tokyo. Inside Uptown Mall. Mega World. Oh, Paddington Bear. Nagpapatila kami ng ulan kasi ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Look at that, guys, ang ganda. We're going out and the rain is still strong. This is the front of the Uptown Mall. Walking in the rain while it's falling. BGC, rainy day. Ayan na po sila. Lalakad sa ulan. Kanina pa kami naglalakad from Uptown Mall. Basa na yung mga paa namin. Daddy! Singing in the rain. Singing in the rain. Daddy likes the rain. We don't like the rain. You like the rain, Charlie? Walang tigil ang ulan the whole day. May bagyo po kasi. Pero palabas na siya ng Pilipinas. Kaso, malakas pa rin ang hatak ng hangin. May bagyo pa din. Ayan, lakas ng ulan. Ayan sila. Grabe ang ulan dito. Ano, mabasang sisiw. Mabasang sisiw kami. Uwi na kami, lakas ng ulan. Tara, let's pag-it. Chloe, you wet me. Ayan sila, malikod. Lakas na naman ang ulan. Mabubong ng bahay. Grabe siya, ha? Super. Up, wet.
20 seconds.
Basang sisiw si Raven.
Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Masaya gumala pag maulan.
Sama kayo. Tara, Ratjing. Tara, Ratjing, quick. Bilis, bilis. Kaya nga, nagsinelas na ako. Basa-basa sa ilan. Alam mo kaya sulungan. Ang malalapitan. Ilalagyan ng ano.